back to our channel. So today we're discussing about rotational dynamics. It is a chapter from first year of plus 3 BSc Physics. So let's begin. So it is a chapter about rotational dynamics, which means rotation. So first comes center of mass. If we consider system of particles which may be discrete or regular in nature, then we can find out a point where the mass of the body can be considered to be concentrated. Yes guys, if a mass of a body is concentrated in one point and if the resultant force is applied there, then it is called the center of mass. This is called center of mass of that body. We can find the center of mass of a body by a formula R is equal to summation of Mi into Ri. Here Mi is the mass of ith particle and Ri is the Poisson vector of ith particle. Next comes conservation of linear momentum. So linear momentum can be conserved in a system of particles at PCM is equal to constant, or momentum of center of mass is always constant in a rigid body. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. If you learned something from this video, do comment on how was the video. Thank you.